Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove text from a video using a VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then select new project. And since we want to remove text from video, we can choose video based. I'm going to click on save. All right, and I'm just going to pick wait, I have prepared a video. Oops, sorry, the video is here. Okay, I'm going to add this video. Okay, click on next. All right, and we're going to remove the tags from this video, this one. Okay, if we want to do that, first we're going to do is duplicating this video. Okay, tap on the video and then select duplicate, and then I'm going to make it as an overlay. Okay, if you want to make it as an overlay, you're going to go to this menu. Wait, it's here, PIP track. Okay, and then I'm going to click on all right, and I'm going to remove the tags using mask. So I'm gonna go to the mask option, okay, here, and then I'm going to choose the rectangle, okay, like this, and I'm going to take this part to cover the watermark or the text. Okay, I'm going to click on this check mark, and then we can drag the tags to cover the unwanted. We can drag the mask to cover the unwanted text. All right, and to make it more natural, guys, I recommend you to go to the filter or the adjustment. I'm gonna go to the filter, and wait, I'm just going to adjust. I'm gonna adjust the exposure just a little bit. Okay, I think that's enough. And once you're done, you can click on this check mark. Okay, and I'm going to play it to show you. As you can see, guys, that the text has been removed from my video. Okay, and that's all the way to remove tags from video in VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.